Good day, everyone. Have you ever wondered why corruption continues to exist even when we know it's wrong? Or have you ever wondered what our faith teaches us about standing up against dishonesty and injustice? Well, in this video, we'll uncover how Catholic social teaching, or CST, inspires us to take a stand against corruption, uphold justice, and lead with integrity in our everyday lives. Before everything, let us first understand what corruption is. Corruption refers to dishonest or unethical behavior, often by those in power, where personal gain is prioritized over the common good. It can take many forms, such as bribery, favoritism, or the misuse of authority. Corruption undermines trust, hinders social progress, and deepens inequality, affecting the well-being of individuals and communities. We all know corruption is more than just a political issue. It's a moral and spiritual crisis that affects individuals, families, and entire societies. It weakens trust, deepens inequality, and keeps people trapped in poverty. But as Catholics, we are called to be part of the solution. The solution to corruption starts with us. Catholic social teaching encourages us to live with integrity, speak up when we see wrongdoing, and support leaders who prioritize justice and fairness. By making small, ethical choices in our daily lives and advocating for transparency and accountability, we can create a culture where honesty and justice prevail over corruption. Catholic social teaching, or CST, is a set of principles that guide us in building a just and moral society. These principles are rooted in the teachings of Jesus Christ and the dignity of every human being. Catholic social teaching is built on principles like the dignity of the human person, the common good, and solidarity. Corruption directly contradicts these values. Let us now go to what does Catholic social teaching has to say. The Compendium of the Social Doctrine of the Church, number 411, states that corruption distorts the relationship between those who govern and those who are governed, leading to inequality and injustice. A letter from Pope St. John Paul II in Centesimus Annus 1991 warns that corruption undermines democracy and economic development. Pope Francis in Evangelii Gaudium 2013 urges us to fight against the idolatry of money and systems that enable corruption. As Catholics, we are not only called to reject corruption, but also to actively work against it. Here's how we can live out Catholic social teaching, or CST, in the fight against corruption. Firstly, is to promote honesty and integrity. Living a life of integrity means being truthful in our words and actions, whether in school, work, or public service. We must uphold honesty and resist corruption practices. Second is to educate ourselves and others. Understanding the effects of corruption and our moral responsibility to fight it is crucial. We must educate ourselves and spread awareness about ethical leadership and good governance. Is to support ethical businesses and practices. Corruption affects the economy, so we can choose to support companies and organizations that operate with integrity and uphold ethical values. Lastly is to pray and act. Finally, our faith teaches us that prayer and action must go hand in hand. We should pray for guidance and strength while actively working to create a just society. We all know corruption thrives in silence, but faith calls us to speak up. Let's be the light in our communities, guided by the teachings of Christ. Stand for truth, justice, and the common good.